Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start today's question. Based on cities where our patients live in, write a query to display the list of unique cities starting with vowel EIOU. Show the result order in ascending order by city, right? So select from where order. So these are all the requirements, right? So we have a condition, we need to order them based on a city name or ascending order, and we need to select some columns, and then we will be extracting some the information from some table, right? So we all require this. So from which table we are extracting patients, and then select what we are selecting here. We are we are selecting cities which are unique, which should be unique. So that is the reason when we hear the word unique, what we should use here, distinct, distinct of what, distinct of city as unique cities. Let's mention unique cities. So what is the condition? So they are given a condition that city name should start with the letter a vowel. So it could be A, E, I, O, U, right? So to do such type of things, we can use like operator. Hope you remember. I will paste the link operator video link in the description. Okay, you can watch it later. So where city like a percentage. So here this is a condition that to check if the word is, if any, it could be any word, it could be any word, if the word is starting with the letter A. So what we want, it could be, the city name should be A, started with A, it could be with E, it could be with I, it could be with O, it could be with U also, right? So it could be with any of the letters. So for that, what we are doing, so let us copy this. R, R, E, E, I, O, U, U. Fine. So and then they're asking to order it based on city name, based on city name, ascending, which is default. So let's try running it. Yeah, we got correct answer. This is the last question of easy difficulty level from hospital dataset. So from next session onwards, we will be discussing medium level difficulty questions. So please do watch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content.